How to join a Zoom meeting. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Zoom application on a device over here. And as you launch the Zoom application, make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, in order to log into your account, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on a device. And if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. So what you need to do over here is simply tap on see what's new and then tap on next and got it. Now, in order to join a Zoom meeting, simply tap on the join option at the bottom top of the screen. So what you simply need to have is the meeting ID and the password. And if you tap on the meeting ID, you can simply have your name over here and then tap on the join option. So let's give a random number for the meeting ID and simply tap on join. And as a tap on join, you'll be able to add passwords and the host will be able to accept you or reject you. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.